Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's first of all switch to the video one. We will check whether the proper option will appear at this upper bar. So let's tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. As you can see, unfortunately the resolution is not right here, so we have to open the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll to find the video size, or actually we do not have to really scroll. So in this video settings we've got the video size. Let's simply tap on it, and in this device we've got three different options: FHD, which is currently applied with 1080p and 30 frames per second, HD with 720p, and SD with 480. So it's up to you which option you prefer. Simply tap on it and it will be immediately applied. You can see it right here, and it means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.